Well, hey guys, we're back and we're going after them crappie. Merry Christmas to everyone. Joy and happiness to all. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas this year. Let's go see if we can catch us a Christmas crappie. Oh, there he goes. Oh, what do we got here? Oh man, a good one. Come on, get him in here. Easy there, buddy. Easy. Man, that's a good one. That's a pretty crappie. Yes, sir. We'll take it. There he is. I got a snag. Come on. I snagged him. I snagged a crappie. I don't see that too often. Come on. I'm gonna grab a hold of your mouth here. There we go. You shouldn't have tried to get it, because I got you. There he is. Oh man, that was a good one. Oh, there he goes. Oh man, come on. He's a pretty good one. He ain't as big as I thought he was, but he, oh, if I don't get him, I ain't gonna get him. Easy. Wow. Thought I had me a slab daddy. He's just a chunky crappie. Get this hook undone. Oh yeah, he's a good one. Good black crappie. Yes, sir. That'll work right there. That's a little bit of joy right there. We'll take it. There he goes. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Get in here, baby. Oh. Get up here. I can't get you out of the net because you won't quit flopping. Oh yeah, another one. That's a pretty good crappie right there. Good thick boy. Yes sir. Some more of that joy. We'll take him. Well guys, if you hadn't checked it out, I got me some LUNKER trail rod holders and they're wonderful. I love them because you just put them on your tie down cleat, and you can put a band on there like I did. That just kind of keeps them from flipping off of there. But they, you know, when you got a fixed rod holder, it's hard to get your pole out of here. You kind of pull and jerk sometimes, and if the fish has got pressure on it, you can't hardly get it out of there. These things flex backwards and only go so far. You can put some spacers under here and adjust the pitch on this too. But anyway, check this out. You just pull real easy. You get a fish on there and pull. Super easy, man. I love them. I got one on each side right here as I troll down through the lake, and I got one on the front, and I'm fixing to put one over here on this other side. I don't use the fish finder a whole lot, so it won't really be in the way because I'll just leave that at home, do my trolling. But you ought to check them out, guys. I got a website down below the video. It's called LUNKER Trail Rod Holder. Check that out. You might actually like them. See if we can find another one. Oh, there he goes. He's a pretty black crappie. He's a little guy though. Oh man, he got some pretty spots on him. That's a pretty one. Later. Hey, look here, guys. I think I got one. There he is. Oh, yeah. A good one. Ooh, there we go. Man. I don't know. I hadn't been weighing none of these guys. I think I want to weigh them because this is a little smaller than the last one, but he's a good one. I gotta see about what these things are looking like. He's got a little mark on him. But man, that's a pretty crappie. All right, let's see what this guy weighs. Get my scale zeroed in. Oops, there we go. Zero this scale in. There we go. And 84 on that one, guys. He's a good one. There he goes. Oh, he's a little guy. He was there. He jumped on the old Bobby Garland jig in a live minnow. That's that chartreuse licorice pearl color. Little old guy. Later. Shit. He tried to jump back out of the water. There he is. Oh. Yeah. He's probably a keeper, but I'm gonna throw him back later. Oh, I don't know. It almost looked like it had something on it, but oh yeah, there's something on it. There he goes. How'd this thing loosen up so much? Here's another little one. You'll need to get a little bigger. On the double jig rig. Alright, later. There it goes. I got him. Ugh, a good one. He's eatable. He's eatable. Oh, that was a good bite. Pretty good biting crappie there. He's a good one. We'll take him. There he goes. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, he's another one that's a little shy, but he's a pretty crappie. You get me all tangled up. Oh yeah, pretty little black crappie. Later. Well guys, here's one of the lures we're using. About a foot, 18 inches, something like that. We got a bobber. We got two Bobby Garland jigs with a minnow attached. We got a Bobby Garland, that's a bleeding shad. And this is a Bobby Garland, and this is a licorice chartreuse pearl. And they like both of these in these waters that I'm in. That's just another, and then the other poles, they just got like a jig with a minnow and a cork. Then of course I got the beetle spin with the gold blade. It's got a bleeding shad Bobby Garland jig on there and a live minnow. That's a 32 ounce jig head hook. That's what I use most of the time. That's a size number 2 on the beetle spin. It's number 4 on most of my jig poles. Oh, we got something back here. All the way back there. That's another little one. That's okay. He was fun. He'll quit shaking a little bit. Little tiny guy. Later. Oh, there he goes. We got you. Hey, we got a keeper this time. Ah, easy there, buddy. All right. We'll take him. Oh yeah, I got a good fighter. Is that a crappie? Yeah, that's a crappie. Need to get him in. Here's a good one. Oh yeah. He's a good one. We're gonna give him away. Man, that's a pretty one. We gotta put him on the scale. He's a thick old boy. See if we get on the scale on this one. Yeah, 108. 108. He's a good one. Yep. We'll take him. Well guys, today we're using a gold beetle spin with a 30-second jig head hook, and that's got a Bobby Garland jig on there. That's the bleeding shad. I put a gold blade on here. It's a size number 1 smooth blade, and I got a live minnow. This one I'm using on my riding reel here. This is a Garcia MAX X10 Lite spinning reel, and it's got 6-pound Mr. Crappie on there, high vis. And I also use a Shakespeare micro series, and this is a light action rod. It's a 5'6". That's the rod I like to use for catching these crappies. Now I troll with other poles also, but this is the one I like to cast with. But guys, like this Placino net I got, this is a floating net. I love this thing. But anything you see me, like I scoop up them big old crappie with this because it's got a big open mouth here, and it's got like this steel or aluminum beam around here, and this dude floats. That's what I like about it right there. But it's got a rubber coating on the net, so it's really, you don't get your lure hung up as much. But anything you guys see me fishing with, most of it is down in the description box, and you can check out the links down there, and it'll take you right to the product. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Now here's a good one. Oh yeah. Another good one. Yep, that's a good one. We'll take him. Oh, there he goes. Oh man. Oh man, come on baby, let me get this one in. Holy moly, he's a big one. Holy moly, I got him. Well, he's a really good one. I'll say that. Man guys, there is my Christmas crappie. Did that look good one? I'll tell you what, that's definitely a good one. We're going to give him a little weigh in right quick. What do y'all think? He's over a pound, maybe pound 140 maybe or more. I don't know, let's see. Easy. One. Let me do that again because he kept kicking. Looks like 143, but we'll do it one more time. $143, guys. 143. That is a good one. Well, look at there, guys. I got my Christmas crappie. I want to tell you guys Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas this year. Thank you guys for watching. And look at this crazy thing. Yeah, I was supposed to say, he's one on there. There he is. He's a little guy, but that looks like he's probably going to be it right there. But we had a fun time. Definitely had fun catching these guys. Later.